Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. There are two new documents that are published on the public docket in Idaho versus Kohberger, both of them dated May 22nd, 2025, and one is a motion and the other is an order. What is the motion? This is a defense motion to seal Exhibit F to defendants' sixth supplemental response to discovery. This is a theme that has existed since basically the beginning of the case in January of 2023, following Mr. Kohberger's arrest December 30th, 2022, where the parties will serve discovery, which is a request for evidence upon the other side. The other side will respond on the public docket, giving notice that they have responded to the discovery, but the substance of what they're responding with and also what they're asking for is in an exhibit, and that is not on the public docket. So effectively, the public understands that the parties are serving discovery on each other, but what it is that they're asking for specifically and what is being responded to, that has been sealed from public disclosure. So here we see the defense's motion stating, comes now, Brian C. Kohberger, by and through his attorneys of record, and hereby moves the court for an order to seal Exhibit F. And to seal means to seal from public disclosure, ladies and gentlemen. To seal Exhibit F to defendant's sixth supplemental response to discovery. And when you see supplemental, the sixth one, this means that there were 5 prior supplemental responses to discovery made by the defense. We go on to page 2. It says this motion is made pursuant to ICAR 32, that is a rule of court, and IC, which is a statute, section 74, 124, 1B, and C. There's no specific reason given why this meets the criteria of either here, ladies and gentlemen. That's just basically it. Dated this 22nd day of May 2025 by Ann C. Taylor on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Kohberger. There is a second, as we've said, related document. It is the court order rendered the same day. The motion came in the morning. The order came in the afternoon, and we know that by looking at the time of the electronic filing of both, which you can see on the upper right-hand corner of every filing that appears in the case. So it states here that the court has seen this motion. It's before the court, and the court is granting the motion to seal. So Exhibit F to defendant's sixth supplemental response to discovery is now sealed from public disclosure. The court has found that ICAR, that is the Idaho Court Rule 32, is the grounds, the basis for granting this relief. And it's signed Judge Stephen Hippler, District Court Judge. If you would like to see these documents and any of the other public documents that appear in Idaho versus Kohberger, please plug into any search engine of your choice the term Idaho cases of judicial interest. That will bring up the website maintained by the Idaho Supreme Court. There are typically numerous cases of high profile and interest to the public. The Idaho versus Kohberger case is one. If you click on that link, it will take you to the docket for 2025, and you will see these recent filings on the docket May 22nd, 2025. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. Thanks for joining us today.